The development of the coastal and inland water transport system is number 3 priority program in Marina's 10-year MIDP. We are happy that this is being given priority. It is only appropriate for the ferry operators to support Marina in this critical endeavor to ensure its effective implementation. This is one of the reasons why we established the PACIWFI, so that we can unify the operators and collaborate with all concerned government agencies on how to modernize or improve our coastal and inland water transport system. As a former seafarer and president of the Integrated Seafarers of the Philippines, and now as president of PACIWFI, it is my hope that we realize our common vision for the Philippine maritime industry, with ships built, owned, operated, and manned by Filipinos that connects islands and people, creates wealth, and generates jobs for economic progress and national security. This maritime industry vision is our inspiration why we ventured into domestic shipping and acquired the Metro Ferry Inc. in Cebu in 2018. Having learned the many challenges in the domestic shipping, like high cost of maintenance due to the vessel's old age, lack of modern equipment, and inability of some vessels to cope with the new safety regulations, we realized that these challenges can be addressed by enhancing the capability of the local shipbuilding and ship repair facilities to build modernized vessels, as well as proper education and training of manpower. In this connection, we further ventured in the shipbuilding and ship repair activities, which is in line with MIDP program number 5. We have now an ongoing shipyard development in Albuera, Leyte, and we expect it to be fully operational within the next year. This shipyard facility, called IMP Shipyard and Port Services Incorporated, has concretized launchway or airbags technology that can simultaneously accommodate at least 10 vessels below 80 meters length overall, but for ship repair or new building. Out of the 10 launchway, we plan to use at least 5 berths for building passenger ferry vessels as well as commercial fishing vessels. It will be designed by our experienced local naval architect and engineers, and the design will be validated by International Class Society to ensure that the quality of ship to be constructed is at par with international standards. On passenger ferry modernization, with the phasing out of wooden boats, ferry operators need to replace their fleet with alternative hull materials like steel, aluminum, and FRP. Unfortunately, many ferry operators have difficulty to purchase new vessels through bank financing and more so through cash procurement. To address this problem, IMP Shipyard will build vessels below 50 meters LOA, which will be financed by private investors. The new building vessels then will be offered to interested ferry operator through a bareboat charter or rent-to-own scheme, so that they can continue their ferry business operation without the need of big capital.